Hi, it's Chris. Today we're going to install your freezer door gasket on your refrigerator. It's a fairly easy process and we'll take you through it step by step. To do the change, the first thing we're going to do is remove this door off the front. There's just 4 screws that hold it in place. So we'll loosen those screws and take that off. So we're going to just open up the door, move the upper basket to the back position with a 1/4 inch nut driver. Simply going to have to loosen these screws. One here at the top, one down here at the bottom, and the same on the other side. So with the screws loosened, it's just a matter of taking hold of the handle and the inside of the liner, lifting upwards, and pulling the door away. Then you just want to take the door and put it up on a soft surface. Now that we have the door on the table, makes it much easier to work from. On this particular model, the gasket is foamed in place, so we're actually just going to physically put some pressure on the gasket and pull it out from between the liner and the door panel itself. As you can see, it'll come out with a little bit of foam attached. Work it around the door and pull it out again between the liner . So now that we have our gasket free all the way around, we simply remove it and discard it. Now our new gasket, to install it, we're just going to lay it up on top of our door. And then what we are looking to do is to take this folded edge and slip it in underneath here. Now this being foamed in place, there may be a little bit of the old foam still left in there that we want to move out of the way. So we're simply going to take a putty knife and just work the putty knife in underneath and just move it along. Just making sure that we've got any of the foam that may still be in the channel clear. You don't want to push it too deep in between because you do need some of that foam to hold your new gasket in place. Now that we've cleared the channel, we should be able to insert that edge into place. What we're looking to do here is to have this lip of the gasket slide underneath the liner. So we're just going to roll that edge so that it can go in underneath and give it a push with our fingers and work that same process all the way along. Now that we have our gasket on and in place, it's just a matter of putting the door back on. Install the door on the brackets. We'll insert this side into place. And then move over to the other side. And do the same process. Now that it's setting down on the brackets, we'll take our 1/4 inch nut driver and secure those screws. And do the same on the other side. And now that the door is on, you just want to close it and make sure everything's still moving smoothly and it closes tightly. And now that the door is back on, you can put your product back in and close it up, and your repair is complete.